Hello friends, I am Balaji. Hope you all are doing well. Dear friends, in this today's short video, I am going to share with you one real incident which happened in the country Russia. It happened long back in ancient time during the period of the ruler Czar. There was one nobleman and he did not like certain policies of the Czar. So he went against the Czar and of course Czar got angry with him and he got a certain order passed against this nobleman through the court in his imperial palace. The order read like this. The sentence in that order read like this: pardon impossible. The comma is given here. The comma is placed where? After the word impossible. Pardon impossible to be sent to Siberia. So this was the sentence in the order passed by the court in the imperial palace of the Czar. Okay. So now, obviously, now that nobleman was very much worried. He was under a lot of mental pressure and he did not know how to escape from this unwanted trouble. That time there was one of his friends present in the court and he was very expert person in language. He knew grammar very well, the punctuation and all that. So the night before he was going to be sent to Siberia for hard labor, that his friend sneaked into the palace. He managed to sneak into the imperial palace and court in the imperial palace, and very skillfully and cleverly his friend was able to hide the comma here, and he placed the comma one word back where? Here, and he was able to hit the comma after the word impossible with a clever quick strokes of the quill and embellishment, and now comma went one word back, which was previously it was after the word impossible, but his friend very skillfully and cleverly placed the comma one word back, and now it was after the word pardon, and he also very skillfully hid the comma, earlier comma or previous comma which was placed after the word impossible with the embellishment of the words and all that, and in this way he could save his friend from the rigorous punishment, hard punishment given by the imperial court. Hope you understood the importance of the comma in language. Yes? On the importance of comma, this incident is very much relevant to the importance of comma. So the comma which looks or which appears very insignificant in language, sometimes it may take even life, and sometimes it may even save somebody's life, right? Hope you understood the importance of comma in language. If it is used correctly, definitely it is going to save somebody's life, and if it is placed or used incorrectly, definitely it is going to cause suffering or losses for the listener or the reader or the public or a person, right? Hope you like the incident and the importance of comma with the help of this example. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. See you soon.